Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best MIG welder for beginners available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have MVP MIG Welder. Your purchase includes One Hobart, 500,553 handler 210 MVP MIG Welder, 110 feet, 3 meters, H100S 410 gun, 110 feet, 3 meters, work cable with clamp, built-in gas solenoid value and dual gauge regulator with gas hose. At number 5 we have Forney 318 190 amp MIG Welder. Easy to use. The Forney 190 MIG is easy to use, featuring Euro-Connect MIG gun with TWECO style consumables. This machine also features fast disconnect to swap out the torch and clean the liner. Improved design. This machine features an upgraded cast aluminum wire drive system, dual geared idler and drive roll with better de-spooler. At number 4 we have Lotus MIG 175 175 AMP MIG Welder. He durable high-quality aluminum wire feeder offers a much more stable and better welding experience. Multi-use welding stainless steel, mild steel, aluminum, with a spool gun, already included in the package, no need to purchase separate, and other metal materials. At number 3 we have Mophorn MIG Welder 250 amp. Our MIG 250 adopts the most advanced IGBT inverter technology with excellent arc stability. Suitable for welding carbon steel, iron, stainless steel, and other metals. Compact and portable, lightweight 21.7 pounds, with a comfortable handle, easy to install and store. At number 2 we have Bailey BW160M MIG Welder. Dual voltage, can run on 120 volt or 230 volt single phase power. Stepless AMP/volt adjustment, infinite adjustment on voltage and wire speed. Fan cooled and generator safe. Gas and gasless capable. Thermal overload protected, will shut down welding if temperature is too high. At number 1 we have Clutch MIG 140i Flux Core MIG Welder. Increased power in a super lightweight package for exceptional portability. The inverter system better handles fluctuations in input power for consistent output and better welds.